What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to give you 4 habits that are keeping you poor. Now, a lot of people struggle with not just making money, but holding on to that money. How do you do it? What is causing you to remain poor? There's so many things out there that are pulling you this way and that way. They're taking your money here and there and over there. How do you hold on to your money, make more money, so you don't become poor? How do you do it? Well, I'm going to answer that right now. In this day and age, one of the biggest reasons why so many people are poor is because they're spending too much time on social media. Yes, that includes Instagram, Twitter, maybe even YouTube, and the biggest one, Facebook. Now, here's what I want you to understand and why this is just a time suck. It is because you are spending time on Facebook and Instagram, those are the 2 main ones, and you are watching and seeing what your friends are doing, what the Joneses down the street are doing, how they just got a new car, just paid for a new house, just went on this lavish vacation, and you're over there watching them thinking, well, I work at the same job as that person, I should be doing that as well. And this is why so many people are poor, is because you go on vacation that you don't even want to go on. You're just doing it because you got to keep up with the Joneses. You are just buying that new car because your cousin who works at the exact same place, who makes less money than you do, just bought a new car. So you decide you need a new car, okay? So by trying to compete with people that maybe you don't even care about, maybe you don't know that well, you are wasting your money and it's keeping you poor. The second habit that a lot of people do that keeps them poor is they do not plan ahead. Let me give you a perfect example of this. Okay, just this past weekend, I went out. I took my whole family out. We went about 3-4 hours away, and we actually had a soccer tournament that we went to. The majority of the parents and the majority of probably other teams as well, they don't plan ahead. So what they do is, being that they're 3-4 hours away from home, not gonna drive back, but they stay in a hotel and they probably eat out, right? Well, my family ate in a hotel, but we didn't eat out. What we did is we packed a loaf of bread, we packed peanut butter, packed jelly, packed some chips, packed some drinks, and so we were good to go the entire weekend because we didn't have to eat out. Did we end up eating out? Yes, we did, but we also planned ahead. So instead of eating out every single meal, we only ate out one time. So by planning ahead, we were able to save some money. That's what you need to do as well. Let me give you another piece of advice when it comes to eating out, okay? What most people do when they get home from work, let's say you have a 9-to-5 job, what the majority of people do is they open up their fridge, open up their freezer, and they're like, I forgot to take something out. I didn't defrost any meat. What am I gonna do now? Well, pick up the phone, maybe order a pizza, go to McDonald's, pick up something there. So you're spending $20, $30 on your meal because you didn't plan ahead. This also comes when you are trying to maybe make money doing something. Maybe you're going to put an extra hour of work over at your job. Maybe you want to send an additional email to your email list because you want to promote your new course or your new offer or something, and that's going to make you more money. But not planning ahead is costing you money, costing you time, and it's making you poor. Another habit that keeps most people poor is they have no side income, no side hustle. They're doing just one thing. They work at that job from 9 to 5, or they're making money online. They're selling stuff on eBay. That's it. They're selling stuff on Amazon. That's it. They have no side hustle. They have their main income and nothing else. If you want to make more money, okay, you can, but you need a side hustle. If you want to remain poor, have no side hustle. No big deal. You'll just keep the same amount of money that you always get. That's it. No more, no less. You're going to stay poor the rest of your life. Okay, I recommend having a side hustle. This is one of the reasons why I absolutely love YouTube. Okay, this is also one of the reasons why I created a YouTube course on how to make at least $1,000 in 45 days doing affiliate marketing. Okay, if you want to see more of that, I'll put a link to it down in the description box below. You can go check it out if you want to. But if you do not have a side hustle, you're hurting yourself. You're hurting your income, you're hurting your wallet, and your bank account is always going to be very low if you want to make a lot more money. You want to take those lavish vacations. You want to buy the new car. You want to keep up with the Joneses. You can, because now you can afford it. And the fourth habit that is keeping you poor is time wasting. Okay? You probably waste a lot of time, and this is, outside of social media. Okay? I understand social media is a time suck. TV is a time suck. There's so many things that are just sucking away the time that you can never get back. Here is one tip that half you guys have been doing for a little while, and it works it's just incredible. I absolutely love it. Now, it's called the Sleep 10 technique, or the Sleep 10 strategy. What it comes down to, if I wake up in the middle of the night, or let's say I go to bed, and I can't go to sleep within 10 minutes, I get back up. If I wake up in the middle of the night, let's say 2:30 a.m., I wake up and I can't go back to bed in 10 minutes, I get up. If I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and I can't go back to bed after 10 minutes, I get up. You get the idea. If you can't go back to sleep within 10 minutes of you waking up, then your body, your mind is telling you it's time to get up. So get up, get some work done. This is a strategy that I've been using a little bit lately, and it works extremely well. It's very effective as long as you stick to it. Now, there have been days, you may be able to hear it from my voice a little bit now. I still have a little bit of a cold, but I still woke up this morning. It was a little bit early. I couldn't get back to bed, so I got up. Even though I'm sick, okay, even though I have a little bit of a cold, I still got up because I understand the importance of sticking to this strategy. Now, I got up, I got a little bit of work done. It took me a little bit longer than I normally takes, but I still got it done before anybody else woke up. Okay? That's what I recommend. And then, later on in the day, if you're getting tired, try to lay back down. If you fall asleep within 10 minutes, great. Go back to bed. You're good to go. But if you can't, get back up and do it all over again. But those are 4 habits that are keeping you poor. So if you start doing these things, okay, it's not a guarantee that you will become rich, be a millionaire, be a billionaire, but what I can guarantee you is it will help. Right? So if you guys have any questions on how any of these habits actually work, what you can do based on your specific your strategy, your mindset, your specific daily routine, let me know. You can ask any questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It just shows me you like this style of video. I'll continue to do more of these. But if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that now. Also click the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.